Hi, I'm Julie Stoner at Stoner Family Farms. Today I'm going to be making granola blue pancakes. I'm going to use 2 of Bob's Red Mill products. I have here the gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour and the Lemon Blueberry Granola. Okay, first the utensils you're going to need are a medium mixing bowl, a whisk, and a rubber scraper. I'm going to start mixing my ingredients. They're all pre-measured out. I start with 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. Whisk that up. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, next goes 1 cup of the gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. And this is where I'm actually going to switch my utensil and I'm going to go to the rubber scraper. In here I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this really well. Get it really incorporated. It is going to be kind of a thin batter at this point, but once I get that granola added in there, it's going to thicken up. And next I have a half a cup of the Lemon Blueberry Granola. And last I have about a 1/4 cup to a half a cup of frozen or fresh blueberries. Next, we've moved over to the stove. I've got my flat griddle warming up with some melted butter on it. You're going to need a spatula for flipping the pancakes, and we like to use a 1/4 measuring cup for taking the batter from the bowl and putting it onto the griddle. Next, I'm going to get started making pancakes. Okay, here's the finished product. You're gonna get about 10 to 12 pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is a recipe that me and my family make often on the weekends. I wanna say thanks to Bob's Red Mill for producing such amazing products.